Hey everyone, this is Edward Kelly and this is my Unit 3 Screen-O-Matic. For my first picture I chose the Great Wave off of Konagawa. My second was Christ in the storm on the Sea of Galilee. My third was Breezing Up a Fair Wind. And for my question on the Mona Lisa painting was, in my opinion, what makes the painting noteworthy? Okay, let's jump into it. First, I chose the Great War off of Konagawa. The reason I chose the Great Wall off of Konagawa was because it symbolizes everyday life, and that no matter how big the obstacle, you can always stay afloat. And because I've always loved the work of the Japanese, it's just amazing the things that they have done in their history. It's a simple painting that can have many meanings. It depends on what your outlooks are and how you would take it. Second, I chose Christ in the Storm on the Sea of Galilee. I chose this one also because it pertains to everyday life of all people. It embodies having faith and patience in tough times, just holding it all together. Its details to show people panic in tough times and only see the now and don't have the patience or the faith to see that there is always a great peace after the storm. Lastly, I chose Breezing Up a Fair Wind. To me, this was just my last little bit. To me, it just shows a calm and sense of peace and adventure. Um, the other two slides, like I say, show great obstacles on the sea, but this one really shows that the sea can be a sense of peace, and it it can be something that's calming. Um, and because the overall sense of relaxation in the painting is what I really liked about it. In my opinion, what makes the Mona Lisa a noteworthy painting, it, it is just the simplicity. Its liveliness fills you with a sense of appreciation and admiration for the artist's attention to detail to bring the painting to life. Most people might take a glance at the Mona Lisa and think, it's just a plain painting. But if you really look deeper, there are a lot of details in the painting that the artist really brought out. And this was my Screen-O-Matic. I hope you guys enjoyed it.